Hello, everybody. My name is Thor Young. I'm a moderator at Bearbull Traders, and I am going to be doing a recap for you today. It's been a little while since my last recap. I actually had some issues with my recording software that's been holding me up a bit. But things are up and running. Things are working good again. So I thought I'd do a nice little recap for you. Today was a really interesting day. It's the day after Thanksgiving. And because of that, the market was a little interesting. We weren't really sure how we were going to play it today. So I took a couple of trades. I actually traded NEO, Tesla, and NKLA. I traded NEO in the in the pre-market here. You can see I actually went long. There was a little pop in volume there as it came up above R1. I went long and got a great partial there. Stopped out at break even, and then I went long again for the opening range break up and got some good partials there. But again, got tried to add in, got a partial, but got stopped. And tried one more add, got stopped, and then long one more time, partial and stopped, and decided I was going to go away from NEO because I kind of have this three strikes you're out rule. If I can't get myself into a trend on a stock after I've taken 3 trades on it or so, I don't like to just keep firing at it. So, it makes me think I'm reading something wrong, right? So I traded Tesla also in the pre-market. I did a short here off R3, which worked out quite nicely, but Tesla ended up being very, very strong today. So, and then as I mentioned on NEO, once I went out of NEO, I decided I was going to start looking for something different, and I looked over at NKLA, which was on my watch list, and one thing I noticed is NKLA had gone through R3 here. Anywhere around R3 is going to be a pretty high selling area, and most of the time, if you're going to be looking for a short, you're going to find some of your best shorts right off of R3, and I actually have R3 coded red just to remind me that I'm in a selling zone when I'm around R3. You can see my S3 is actually coded green to remind me that I'm in a buying zone as well, right? So you can see here we've pushed up here. We got above R3 at lower highs, lower high. Looked pretty good. Volume was falling off, so I went ahead and went with it. I went short here, stop loss of the prior candle here. And sure enough, we got a beautiful breakdown. First partial right at R2, so R3 to R2. Next one, daily level. Next one, the break of R1. Next one, daily level. Next one, pre-market. And then 2 down to S2, or S1 and then S2. So we pulled back up here, and now we've come back underneath S1 here. So I've added into a short position on S1. And I'm looking for a traverse all the way down to S3 and maybe the loss of S3 for an all-out. So really nice morning today. I was actually really expecting today to be a really difficult trading day today. Luckily, we had a few stocks. Thanks, Carlos. Thanks, Norm from the BBT pre-market show. Every morning, those guys like surgeons pull us out the best stocks to use and for things to go well. And to just really get us into some of the best stuff. So if you guys aren't watching the pre-market show, go ahead and like my video. Most specifically, subscribe to the channel and ring that bell. That'll get you those videos or get you into those pre-market shows every single morning and give you a reminder that it's going on. So, which is always a super big benefit. And for me, I'm going to ride this NKLA trade down for what'll hopefully be a little bit more profit here. So I hope everybody had a great day. I hope you all have a great weekend. I hope you had an amazing Thanksgiving. Bless you all and have a great day. Thanks.